Hello and welcome to the Rebuilding the Commonwealth playthrough. Commander
War
Landon,
never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the veterans
here
hall tonight, huh?
is our
You think?
lovely little man
Absolutely.
who's going to
Now
rebuild the
get ready and
Commonwealth
stop
after
hogging the
nuclear
mirror.
war.
Right.
Ain't that so fun? I think we have to change some things here, like facial hair. If you're gonna rebuild the Commonwealth, you have to
Ooh,
look fancy
I
while
like the
doing it.
beard.
And then, of course, I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. Well, let's just... yes, Professor.
This new haircut's really working for me.
It's gonna work. It will work. Let's see. We're an army veteran. We'll
Did
go
you
with
put a
chestnut
little
brown, but
color in your
obviously
hair?
we need scars because, I mean, we were in the army. Let's see, what would be fitting? We'll say he was Air Force. Who is this reminiscent of? Elder Maxim. We'll say he was in the Air Force, and his plane got shot down, and he got a little beat up. And then we'll tone that down.
Looking good, if I do
So
say
wonderful.
so myself.
And any good man, any good man needs to have big ears. They're like sonars, if you get my drift. Oh, didn't. There we go. That'll work.
There's something
And then
different.
you have to have
What is it?
clarity in your eyes. So, what better than... Oh, it looks like he's blind.
That's
How wonderful.
Pretty nice.
It's the best. And then, you can't be larger if you're gonna lead and rebuild the Commonwealth. So let's just go thin and muscular here. Maybe about there. And I think we're ready. This is our wonderful man. And here we go. Man. It'd be tough if there was nuclear annihilation. This is my little child that I'm going to walk away from. So,
Good morning, sir.
I'm going to do this like an Enclave playthrough. I have a couple mods. I have America Rising and Enclave Resurgent, and I'm going to use them to, because Enclave Resurgent is not complete as of the time being. So I'm going to
How'd you get on the
use
floor,
America
Mr.
Rising
Bear?
as well. I have done a previous playthrough of this just to make sure that it all works. So I do have some game plan.
Hey, hon.
Nervous? Don't be.
This is my
Everyone's
lovely
gonna
wife,
love the speech.
lawyer. So
Sounds like someone made a stick.
I believe
I shall
we're gonna start just going through the main quest
You know,
line to
I was nervous at first,
unlock
but Codsworth's really good with
the
you.
Enclave mods, so we can go through their quest lines. And but we're also gonna go through the Minutemen. We're gonna destroy both the railroad and the Brotherhood of Steel. Of course, the Brotherhood of
enjoy
Steel.
your coffee.
Murder those Brotherhood of Steel dogs. It's all nonsense. So, well, that's how we're gonna start this off. I can drink coffee from across the stool. Ring the doorbell. I
Can you
can
get
see
that?
you.
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
Go on.
Nice to find you, sir.
Beautiful
You can't
blind
begin to
eye
know how happy I am to
for
finally
clarity.
speak with you. I've been trying for days.
Maybe have some
It's a
cataracts.
matter of utmost urgency.
Right.
Well, I'm so glad you're here.
Then I'm glad you caught up with me.
Oh, me too. You have no idea. Now, I know you're a busy fellow, so I won't take up
Me?
much of your
Busy?
time.
No.
Time
I
being
just spend
a,
all day grooming my mustache.
precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you
You know,
that because of your
with
family
these
service
sales
to our
reps, they
country,
never get to the point.
you have been pre-selected for entrance.
Never, ever. Sounds great.
Sounds great.
Oh, it is.
I cannot
Believe
get
you
over
me.
the eyes.
Now, you're already cleared for entrance.
They're just
in
so
the
amazing.
unforeseen event of
Total atomic annihilation. That would never
I
happen.
just need to verify
No,
some
never.
information. That's all.
Sure.
All right.
Let's do it.
Splendid.
So let's say he
Splendid.
rose pretty high up
Let's see.
in the ranks. So we'll say it was a major. So major. Let's see. Has to be a name of a leader. A leader. Gordon. My G key doesn't work all the time. And let's see, middle initial would just be F for Freeman, but we'll leave that off, you know. Major Gordon F. Hauser. Piddlehouse. Yeah, that'll work. Well, we'll say he had a degree in some sort of math, so we'll just bump that up to 8. Charisma, obviously, with that beautiful mustache. And strength, we'll put a couple in, take one of either of these. And obviously with our sonar ears, we'll have to rank these up, but other than that, I think we're good.
Wonderful.
Thanks again.
Said through the
it's
door.
peace of mind. That's worth a little paperwork, right?
For you and Sean,
You're
no
so
price is too
shiny.
high.
I don't understand.
Good answer.
I have my moments.
I do have my moments. I am too good.
Mr. Gordon, Sean has been changed, but he absolutely refuses to calm down.
Well, I say
He needs some of that
the Piddle House
paternal
is on the
affection
job.
he's so good at.
You
I-
heard Codsworth. Go on.
Why can't I? Oh, I wanted to spin the mobile.
How are the two most important men in my life doing? Spin the mobile a
I
bit.
didn't
He loves
comb my mustache enough, and I don't think that's very
Hey,
suitable.
how's my little guy?
I'm a little pissed
Much better
that I
now,
did
huh?
not get my.
Listen, after
I didn't
breakfast,
get my.
I was thinking we
What?
could head
Are
to
you
the park.
interrupting me?
Weather should hold up.
Will it be like
No.
that night in the park a year ago?
Sir, Mum, you should come and see this.
Oh no,
Codsworth?
he
What's
sounds
wrong?
he sounds worried. Let's. Oh yes, and I have the locksmith lockable doors on,
followed
so
by flashes, blinding flashes.
you know I can keep
Sounds
those
of
pesky
explosions.
settlers out of my
We're
private
trying to
room,
get confirmation.
whether they be torture chambers
They
or.
seem to have lost contact
Otherwise.
with affiliate stations. We do
Oh
have-
no!
We do have coming
I
in.
wish Cosworth
That's,
would stay that shiny. I'm probably a
confirmed
mod for
reports,
it.
I repeat,
Please,
confirmed
that'd be
reports
pretty
of nuclear detonations in New York
cool, in
and
my opinion.
Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
Goodbye, wife. I'm distressed. I'd rather get blown up by a nuclear bomb than not have combed my mustache enough. This is terrible. I cannot fathom the depths of hell that we are going into without a combed mustache. Ha!
That's absurd. I am Vault-Tec.
You are not Vault-Tec.
You can't stop me.
Actually, he can.
Okay.
Actually, I would acted as a ninja.
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Oh yes, I have the U.S.
Adult
Air
male,
Force military fleet.
Adult female.
I like the Air Force.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you!
It helped out. with
What's
my
gonna happen
emergency.
to all those people outside the
Forgot we
gate?
did that.
Everything we step on the platform in the
Come on, step on the platform. Now we gotta look out the other way so we don't burn out our retinas. course,
Almost
I
there.
don't think
We're gonna
there's
be
any
okay.
stopping it now.
I love you.
But,
Both of you.
We love you too.
but it's fine. Immersion. Also immersion purposes.
Hold on!
Piddle house.
Oh god! Oh god!
Your name is associated with Piddle house. Are nothing but top quality. Mr. Russell, nothing like a piddle house. You
We
are
did it.
piddle full.
We made it. We're okay.
Oh, you know when you get to that
Everyone,
stage in
please
life
step
where
off the elevator
only you
and
laugh at
proceed
your
up the
jokes.
stairs in an orderly fashion. No need to worry,
Of course,
folks.
some of us,
We'll get everyone
Especially
situated in
me.
your new home.
that is
Vault
all of
111.
my life.
A better future underground.
So we just...
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Welcome home. You know, you got your water leaking on the other side. Oh, if only everything was made for war.
Step over to the table, take a suit.
You'll need your
Welcome.
suits before we can take you
Pick up
further.
a suit right over there.
Fine.
Thanks. What now?
Just
What now,
follow
as
the
I say,
doctor.
walking away?
He'll show you where to go.
All right, you three. Follow me.
Alright, you three.
It's gone.
I'm trying to just see
Everything we had.
Sir,
I used to be able to do it.
Father down in D.C.
Oh, you're gonna love
Oh, your mother and
This
father
is
down in
one of our
DC.
most
Well,
advanced
How
facilities.
long
they're
Not
either,
that the
oh,
others
maybe
aren't
one of
great,
them is
mind you.
in the puppet
we'll
vault.
be going over all that
Going
later.
crazy.
Fashionable.
Just a
Let's
few
let's
medical
come to
items
home.
to get prepared for the future.
Let's,
right?
prepared for the future, right? He sounds
Excuse
so
me.
sure of himself.
Just follow your guide. He'll step you through the process.
Hey there.
This way, please.
I love your hair.
Just step in here and put your vault suit on.
I love that instant change into the vault suit. You know, it's just instantaneous. Of course, that's what
The
all
pod
clothes
will
do.
decontaminate and depressurize you before we
Doctor,
head deeper in the vault.
you are
Just
a
relax.
liar.
Time for a whole new life.
Whole new life.
Resident secure.
Whole new life.
Occupant vitals normal. Procedure complete.
And here we go.
5, 4, 3,
The beginning of our journey.
1.
Soon enough, we'll be rebuilding the Commonwealth. Deep freeze. I should have gone female, have and romance Preston. But there's a companion I like in the Enclave Resurgent mod, which we will be using later on in the campaign. But yes, we're gonna rebuild the Commonwealth as much as we can. I also have the Conquest mod on, so we can make settlements wherever we please. And I have a couple of ideas for that. So I think it's gonna go pretty well.
Almost.
Mysterious figure. That's pretty insightful if you think about it. I mean, someone could have messed up and just said Kellogg.
The boy go. I'm only gonna tell you once.
I'm not giving you Sean!
Why did we name him Sean? Could have named him. Could have named him.
At least we still have a backup.
I'm not just a backup. Anyway, we could have named him something like Piddlehouse Jeremy Piddlehouse. Then he'd have double Piddlehouse, and he would be nothing like the world has ever seen. Of course, in this time frame or timeline, with Sean being the leader of the institute, he is pretty much something the world has never seen. Up to that point, after the war.
Cryogenic array. All residents must vacate immediately.
Oh no, we have to vacate.
Come on, come on, come on! Oh, God!
Oh, come on, quit with the yelling. You're a calm and collected major.
I'll find who did this. get shot back.
We'll just bury you
I
here.
promise.
Wish you could, like, bury your spouse. Whoever it may be, male or female. So, I think that'd be a nice little thing that we could add. But they didn't. And, I don't know. I think it could have been nice, but it didn't let it be nice. A lot of people call Fallout 4 at least, a hollowed out money game. You know, just doing it for money instead of quality gaming, which in some
Giant
points I do agree.
Roaches?
But it's still a good
hell?
game. And obviously we need to get the Red Menace. It's ironic playing the Red Menace after after Total Atomic Annihilation. It's wonderful. I had gone a couple of playthroughs until I realized that there was this fucking catwalk there. Oh
What
no.
happened here? Where is everyone?
Oh. Now I also have a crowbar mod, which I'm going to use very promptly here. As soon as I can get to Sanctuary, which shouldn't be long. Which is good. I'm debating on taking another companion with me, say Codsworth or Dogmeat, before I get to the Enclave Resurgent companion, whose name I will not mention for one reason or the other. I'm wasting so much ammo. Usually I have my melee weapon, hotkey is 1, but I don't, and it's screwing me up just a little bit. But only a little bit. You can't stumble the Piddle House. I just smacked the skeleton. I'm proud of myself. When Fallout was just released, I looked everywhere for these and I couldn't find them for under $200. That was madness. Now I hear they're selling them with the Give Me the Year edition, which I'm a little excited for if I can get them. If I can see if they're under $100 again. Or not under $100, $200. That would be nice. Very nice. There we go. Beautiful Piddle House. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. What was I looking for? Grab that. I don't know why it's not working right now, but I do have the flashlight mod for the Pip-Boy, where it actually acts as a flashlight instead of just glowing around you, which I find very convenient.
Vault door cycling sequence initiated.
So,
Please stand back.
I'm happy with that. Stand clear. Not. That actually says that, but. That doesn't look safe. Almost there. Oh, if I had only gone up just a little bit further, I would have gotten this down. I wonder what my beautiful eyes are going to see location. Even with the cataract. As soon as we emerge. But yeah, if you guys want me to take a different route.
Thank you for choosing.
Okay, what I'm planning to do is go with Minutemen, do the Enclave quest, and destroy the Brotherhood and the Railroad. But I'm debating on whether to destroy the Institute and confiscate their equipment, or ally with them along with the Enclave. Which I think it would make sense either way, but the synth I do see as a danger, because if we lose control of them, it could be, in Elder Maxim's words, a second apocalypse. We won't stand a chance then. So, I'm not quite sure what to do. That's pretty accurate right here, this vision, you know. Burned out retinas. Cataracts. And there we are. My low quality. Oh, I forgot I had this on. Yes, the XM2076, but it's a little overpowered right now, so I'm not going to take it. I will probably come back at a later date. Probably. See, in my last playthrough, I wanted to go and get the cryolator, but I never did, because I can get a little scattered with my goals. That's not always the best, but I do. Gotta loot that sweet, sweet loot. Oh yes, let's fix this real quick. There we go. Oh, I guess they never did get in the vault. What a pity. Huh. 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 I wonder how all the other people died in the vault. I might be kind of stupid for asking that question, but I do rather wonder, did they all just die because they were in storage for so long? And if so, how did I not die? It's just, ooh, hey, military fatigues right off the bat. That is beautiful. They're not the ones that I want, but they're still military fatigues. Codsworth, I really don't want to talk to you. I don't mean it as an insult, but I don't want to talk to you. Alright, let's see. What do I make that in? I make that at the chemistry station. I'm just grabbing stuff for steel, so I can make a crowbar real quick. Which is nice. I love my crowbar. It's this house, yes. Okay. Fertilizer for that jet. Mm-hmm. I need... Wait, why can't I make it? Oh, I need blacksmith. Darn it. Darn it. Well, I'll have to get that. I suppose now we can talk to Codsworth. See, I'm already rocking the military fatigues. Beautiful.
As I live and breathe.
You don't live and breathe.
Oh, it's really you.
Yep.
My God. They did it. Those bastards really did it. Everything's dead.
Including those scrubs that you're trimming.
Ah, yes, the gun. The posies have been problematic, I admit.
That's an understatement.
Ah, if only the missus were here to help. Where is she, by the by?
By the by, I've never heard that before.
They killed her.
With emotion in
Sir,
face.
these things you're saying, these terrible things, I believe you need a distraction. It's been ages since we've had a proper family activity.
I mean, really, yeah, 200 years.
Charades.
Ages.
Sean does so love that game. Is the lad with you?
Yes, he's with me. I'm just shoving him up my butt for the time being.
Sean's been kidnapped.
It's worse than I thought.
Yep, I shove babies up my rectum just to hide them from robots. Robot butlers.
Will do that, I'm afraid.
Yeah, I haven't eaten a morsel in 200 years. That's a very good,
200
that's a very
years?
good point.
What? Are you?
A bit over 210, actually, sir. Or give or take a little. For the Earth's rotation and some minor dings to the old chronometer.
Just
That
a
means
couple
you're
dings.
2 centuries late for dinner.
You're so funny, Codsworth. If only you were this funny the entirety of the game.
The snack?
Then I'll be right.
I really don't want to talk to you right now. I wanna go and murder things in Concord.
Bingo.
Mr. Gordon. Ah, here you are, sir. Now, I've been thinking, if something is amiss, your loved ones may simply be hiding from the Red Menace.
Oh, from the Red Menace. It's been completely wiped out.
Or maybe evil leprechauns.
I have an idea. Let's search the neighborhood.
No.
There's nothing left.
Well, if you wish to bet...
I'm sorry, Cosworth. I don't mean to be a jerk, but we don't have time. We gotta get down to Concord. We have to save Mama Murphy, because she's the only one that matters. She's the only one. Preston doesn't matter. Looting the rest of Sanctuary doesn't matter. Now those fragmentation grenades do matter. Love me some frags. Yep. And let's see. Oh, an M14 already. Yes, I have a couple mods. I do. And one of them is the M14 mod. It just simply adds the M14. It's a... Oh, there we are. That worried me for just a second. We have 4 rounds, so it's not going to be that overpowered. But I think it's gonna work out. This will work out quite well. But as dog meat comes up to us, I'm going to end this right here, and I will come back in a little while, and I'll give you guys the rest of the playthrough. I hope you enjoyed. Generic plead for likes and subscriptions. See you later.